Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jay back here again with another reaction video. Today we got another suggested video suggested to me by the bro T, Chris Boss. Man, you know the fuck I vibes. Good looking buddy for the suggestion and support. I appreciate you heavy. And yeah, he told me to check out shit, I'm lit. My fault, Gingy. I gotta stop cursing so much too, yo. But anyways, he told me to check out Famous Dex Beehive official video, and I only curse one time. Faka don't count. Okay, YouTube? It's AKKA. It's not the other word. You feel me? But anyway, let's check this out. I used to rock with Dexter so heavy back in the day, bro.
Baby look good, she singing on me like a beehive. I got the money, you wanna boom me, you a C now. Copy the wave, pop it, perk. Hey, dancing like me now. GPS pour another 6, oh my god, we high. Wanna boom me, I swear to god, boy, you a die. We got them sticks on us, we play them games like 4th of July. You don't wanna play with us. Pop it, perk, I swear to god, I can feel my gut. Every girl looking good, she looking thick as fuck. Just like when I would. Give me 2 tears on me, you looking at me. I know you would. Remember them days of starving like Marvin. I had to go get it, I called on my shooter. I swear to God, boy, we robbing. Yeah, no baby, robbing. Nigga be looking so lame with jewelry. I'ma have to rob him. I get my shoes on me, you know we ain't like it, you know we ain't starving. Can't like to guns on me, hot. Gin and Martin. Remember was hard ass. Remember them days, sleep on the floor, I'm starving. Now look at me now, baby girl, yeah, I'm winning. I ain't pretending, I ain't been broken in a minute. Run up on me, so they got boy, you finish. Baby look good, she singing on me like a beehive. I got the money, you wanna boom me, you a C now. Copy the wave, pop it, perk. Hey, dancing like me now. GPS pour another 6, oh my god, we high. Run up on me, I swear to god, boy, you a die. We got them sticks on us, we play them games like 4th of July. You don't wanna play with us. Pop it, perk, I swear to god, I can feel my gut. Every girl looking good, she looking thick as fuck.
What the fuck? That was it. That was a song? He ain't finished it. I mean, it was clean though. It was clean. Shout out Famous Dex, bro. He will forever be remembered as a GOAT in my eyes, man. I definitely rock with Famous Dex, man. Shout out Chris Boss. Once again, I appreciate you heavy for the suggestion and support, man. Top Uda, top shot, top commenter. Also been locked in for a minute now. You already know the vibe. Good looking, birdie. And yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.